Hey guys, welcome back to Burner Video. So today, it's just Sunday, the day I post, because I post every week, once a week, every Sunday. So, I'm so tired right now. I'm just going to be doing random stuff. Wait, my dad just texted me the cat's back. We have to go. I was just about to say we have to go see if the food's still there. Let's go see. My mom's still sleeping. I found the little girl. It's back! I found it! I see it! Go! Run! Hi! It's back! Oh. Yes! It's back! Oh. Its water's frozen. It's so cold. See, it's frozen. If you guys could tell. Hi! No. We're not leaving out of there. We're locking it up. I don't care. Come on. I don't care. We're locking it up. I can't do that again. I thought it was dead. Oh my God. Yes, it's back. Ricky Thorne Jr. is back. Actually. Stanley, go. Good. His first thing. So. Alright, we have to cover this hole. We're keeping this thing here. Ooh. Hold on. Stay right here. We use this big, giant metal sheet to lock it. Oh, it's so cold. My hands are so cold. That metal sheet is freezing. What's metal? Oh, it's so cold. No. Ah, it's so cold. Yes, I'm excited though because we've got the cat back. I literally said I was tired, I think, but I think I said I was tired. Now I'm not because my cat's back. I'm so glad. I'm happy. Let me keep it. You know, she can. I don't know why the metal sheet. I don't know why it won't go. Can't get out of that. Alright. Can't get out of this. That's good. Hi. Hi, Ricky Thorne Jr. How you doing? Hi, baby. Ah. Ah. Say hi. Say hi. No. My voice. I'm getting sick. I think I am sick, though. I love you. Oh, I didn't mean to slap you. It still has lots of food. It needs water. Look. That's ice. That's something you... Oh, the water's leaking up. I'm so glad I did not get in my shoe. What? Oh, it's cat food! Where'd you find that? I don't need it. Well, that's nice.
It has food?
Yeah, it's got food.
Where did it get food?
I filled it up before they got here. Before they left. Alright. There's a lizard. Have you found it? I can't really sniff. I can't really smell. To you, does it smell? Alright.
What are you doing? Get your butt down.
I can't really smell anything, really. Alright. Oh, look at this. There's a whole... Oh my gosh, this store has goodies in it. It's got blankets and everything. That cat might escape. Hopefully not. Fingers crossed, no. That cat, I love it. I love Ricky Thorne Jr. Oh, she's sitting at there. Where's that cat food? Because that is actually insanely helpful. It's insanely helpful. Let's see. Dad, where's the cat food? Okay. Okay. Look at this, look at this, watch, look at this. We got cat food. We got cat food. And we got cat food. We got cat food. Look at this. What the heck is this stuff? Why is this stuff over here? Oh, must be my brother's and my brother's girlfriend. Look at this. Skills and stuff. Oh, I like these. I'm not going to eat this stuff. I am going to take my cat food, though. That's for sure. It's my cat now. I need a little cat section in here. The cat will have cat toys. Don't worry. Because next time my mom goes to the store, I'm going to get cat toys. Look at this stuff. It's freezing cold. Oh, they're coming back. Yeah, they're going to come back. Hopefully they don't look for that cat food. I mean, there's really nothing up here because they moved out. They got out. But they're coming back. They're going to take that. Oh, he got this for, my brother got that for his birthday or Christmas. One or the other. Yeah, there's a keyboard in here. There's this giant teddy bear. There's a tripod. Yeah, they're going to come back. Unless if they don't have room for it, then they might just leave it. But who would just leave candy? They're going to come back and get the candy. So they'll come back. Well, they have a cat too, so it might be their cat food, their cat's cat food, or however you say it. It's like hot cocoa. Really hot cocoa. I'm not taking this. I mean, if they're not going to come back, then I'm taking it. What is your problem, Sadie? My dog Sadie, she wants to come inside so bad. Come on. It's freezing outside. Lay. Well, you're gonna stay in here. You're not going upstairs. She's gonna be in here. She can't go upstairs. Oh my gosh, I'm freezing, Sadie. She's muddy, so I'm just gonna leave her. Stay. Stay. She can't go upstairs because there's carpet. Well, I think you guys know it's laid down with carpet. She's gonna just lay right there in that one spot. Well, really, there's nothing that's in here. So, anyway. But I think we cleared out all the mice. I don't think they're coming back. But this cat food, I'm keeping this. I'm 100% keeping this. I think, yeah, they're all different flavors, I think. Yeah. So this is one flavor, and then these two are the same. I'm so glad we found cat food. I found cat food. My dad found cat food. I'm gonna ask him if I don't know if that's just like, Dad! Bruh. He's not in there. I wonder if that's the county he said or not. Because if it's not, there might be more. I think that's all the cat food. I think there's only 3. The cat's out. Stay here. The cat's out. The cat's out. Guys, the cat's out. I'll be back. Sadie out. Sadie out. Got it. I didn't shut the door. Yeah. So I have this cat food. I'm keeping this cat food. I don't know where to put it though. Because of my brother, who's back. Let me just drop this. Let me open the door. I told you guys this video is going to be a whole lot of nothing. But hopefully I get views because I found my dad found. Okay. It was just laying on the beanbag whenever it came down. I saw it. I saw something on the beanbag. I was like, my dad texted me the cat's back. I'm pretty sure that's the cat. Oh my gosh, how do you keep getting out? It's out. Hold on. Come here. Hey. No. Guys, stop. Hold up, guys. I think it's the metal sheet. I think it gets out from that. Yeah, it can fit through there. My face. Hold up. No! How does it keep getting out? It just got out and ran. Wait, I'll be right back. It just got out. There it is. I'm gonna go put it back there. Let's see how it gets out. There has to be a hole that squeezes them. Hell! Hey! Okay, something's wrong. There's no way. I'm Hold up, guys. Let me put it back in. Hold up. No way. No! Daddy! Get back now. Guys, the cat's smarter than I think. It's smarter than I think. Alright, hold on. Alright, so I locked it inside for a minute, just for a minute. I'm gonna let it back out. But I found it out. It's freezing cold. It fits through that. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take a brick. Just in case, see, this one's free. It's just out and about. I'm gonna take a brick and go put it on it. Because this thing cannot keep me escaping. Because the dogs chase it, and the dogs are gonna chase it off the property. So, it's a dirty brick, but it's a brick. Bricks are heavy. This brick is heavy. Stay here, guys. I'm gonna go put this. It can still get out, so we need like another brick. Hold up. I got 2 mini bricks. They're mini bricks, but they could do. My hands are, I feel like I first. I told you guys there's a whole lot of nothing, but at least we gotta, This video probably will not get lots of likes or views. Like that one video does with over like 200 or 300 views. Warming my hands up, putting them together. So, alright. And we'll put these over here. They fit good, so I'm just gonna go grab I don't know, there's a lot over there. I'm just gonna go grab 1 or 2 more. I'll be back. I don't know how I got out. I'm gonna go put it back in. Hold on. Guys, bro, the cat. Bro, it's so sneaky. How does he get out? Bro, that's so sneaky. Oh my gosh, it escaped from it. Jaden, get now. Hey, 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 hey. Jaden, get now. Come here. Come here. Hey. Okay. Hey, got out through this metal. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna fix this up real quick. So, they can't get out. I'm gonna go grab. See if it comes out. See if it comes out. It's not coming out. Alright, we're good. I'm gonna grab. It ran out that I dropped the bricks of them. I'm gonna go grab them. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put these 2 bricks. I'll be right back. There's one cut in half and I need that one. I put the other one, there's a little spot I can escape. So I'm gonna go grab that half one and put it up. So I had a full one, I had 2 full ones. There was one full one that went up there and the one didn't fit. So I put it, and there was another like tiny space it could fit through, so I put that right there. And I need like half brick. Yeah. So most likely it's gonna escape because I put it that, and it can just probably touch it, and it's probably just gonna go and fall. And I don't think I can get out of that, so we're just gonna leave that metal sheet. Now I can open the door. I didn't want to open the door because I kind of, want it to like get out while I was working. See, look, you could probably just fall. But I don't know if you guys saw. But see, there's a little space down there that it could escape. So I did. So, and it wouldn't fit right here. So I put the half one. I don't think you guys can see. Oh, it's just sitting on its little bed. This thing has been here. I told you guys. I literally made a short saying it comes here at night. And it goes away. It literally comes here at night, eats, and it goes. But now, it's caught. Now, I don't think it. No, let me just. Oh. I don't know. It's just sitting here. Hi, Ricky Thornton Jr. From my friend. He wanted it to be. I got the most likes. It's Ricky Thornton. Bye, Ricky Thornton Jr. Love you. Love you. So the water needs to thaw out unless if because I don't want to put hot water and then it thaw out and then it be hot for the cat. So I'm just going to let the water thaw out. I'm so glad it's back. I'm surprised. It stayed here. I wonder if it comes and drinks. I wonder, because I put it in there. I put water. I made a video and I put water. Shorts and I put I made a shorts and I put water in the dish, in that little white dish thing, container thing, or whatever, and I put it back in there with like water on it. Okay, I just put water in there, and I wonder if it knew it was frozen and it knew it had water, so it stayed and waited for me to come. Unless if it just wanted to see me so bad, real bad. But that's all I did. It's been 30 minutes, and that's all I did with you guys. I don't want to let you guys go, but I might need to. Oh, I do want to show you guys something. Also, we did indeed get a... My hands are first, but... Yay! We did it. We did indeed get a... Dun, 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 dun. A hot tub! So that is great. A hot tub. It's filled up with freezing cold water, but it can warm up. Now it's a cold tub. Oh my. Yeah. That's all like frosted ice stuff. Oh my god. It's not all over the ground. It's just like, it's freezing cold out. Like, we did have palm trees, but they died. It took a lot to get it off. It took a lot to get it off. It was heavy. And then my brother and my brother's friends came and they did that. But I want to show you guys something. Well, I was going to make a video about like me fixing my four-wheeler because it won't start, unfortunately. So I'm weak. So it came right here and it turned off and it would not start. So I asked my dad if he could put it in. He never did. So it got rained and snowed on. Because it was raining and snowing the same night. So it got rained and snowed on. And now it won't start. Like, look, it says it's fully charged. Look, the light, it shows the light. I had to pull the brake back and press the thing. I'm literally doing it. Just to show you guys. I don't know if you hear that noise, but I was going to make a video about me trying to fix it, but I ended up with the cat. Really. So, before I do, I am going to go, because I am going to post this video, and it's 32 minutes of me doing nothing, really. But the four-wheeler video is coming next week. I was going to do it, but I got stuck with this cat. It's still in there. But, yeah. So, yeah. Next week, the four-wheeler video. Oh, wait! I wasn't supposed to tell you guys. I'm doing another video. I'm going to think of another video. I'm not going to do it. I'll do it whenever I'm ready. Right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. Oh, baby. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. We are out. Peace. Woo! Peace. Wait. Bye. Say peace. Woo! All right.